Guys, I am inside a vegetable farm here in Riyadh. For this video, I will bring you to a vegetable farm, and this will show and tell you that despite being in a desert country, Saudi farmers are able to produce better quality vegetables from their farms in the middle of the desert. We will do a farm tour, and the farm I'm featuring is the Matrif Al Qahtani Farm here in Hafirat Nisa, Riyadh. This is more or less 80 kilometers away from the city center of Riyadh. Coming to Matrif Al Qahtani Farm is a double treat because you are learning from them about the farming, and of course you are enjoying the scenic sights around the farm. So guys, this is how they do it. They are planting the vegetables inside the greenhouse, and the greenhouse is air conditioned. They are using actually desert coolers to maintain the temperature inside the greenhouse. So here are the greenhouses that farmers in Saudi Arabia are using for planting the vegetables, and of course they have to maintain the temperature. That's why they are using desert coolers. Here at Matrif Al Qahtani Farm, there are 23 greenhouses in front of me. You see to the left and the right side of the alleyway. It's a tomato plantation, and I have with me the big, my friend, Mr. Matraf. Thank you so much. The manager of this farm. So here is my friend, the owner of the farm. He is obviously enjoying picking the tomato fruits. You know, looking at this vigor tomato plants actually pushing me back to farming. Yeah, I love farming because I'm a son of a farmer in the Philippines. That's why I can tell the difference in the ways of farming here in Saudi Arabia and in my homeland, the Philippines. So join me as I show you around. Because other than this wonderful farm, the landscape of the mountain also in the farms here is amazing. Equally amazing, just like the farm that I am presenting to you in this video. So it's amazing. It's another, I'm so happy to have this place discovered by me. So I have something to share with you. Tomato farm here in Hafirat Nisa, Riyadh. This is the reason why we are not surprised that sometimes when we buy vegetables in the market, the vegetables looking like freshly picked from the farm. Of course, because we have the farms in the middle of the desert right here in Riyadh. The greenhouse, by the way, should be closed at all times to protect the tomato plants from the infestation of insects and pests. You know, tomato plants are delicate plants. That's why you have to secure them by closing the greenhouse at all times. And of course, to keep them away also from the strong winds that will destroy the plantation. As the tomato fruits are also delicates, so the picking of fruits here are done manually. Here at Matrif Al Qahtani Farm, we have tomatoes and cucumbers. Let me bring you here now at the cucumbers greenhouse, and you see this gentleman in front of me. They are putting the cucumber fruits inside the plastic bags, and then later on they will now bring this to the market. So here we are. Wow, I really feel like going back to farming. You know, farming really is enjoying. It's not that easy to do the farm works, but it's enjoying. Like what I feel right now. So this one inside the styrofoam box, according to the staff, if you are going to buy that here, this cost 15 riyals. By the way guys, if you want to visit this farm and buy the vegetables right here, you can also do that because this is also open to the public. The same way with the tomatoes, picking the cucumber fruits is also done manually. This is to make sure that the fruits are in good quality and in good condition once they are brought to the market. So let me show you here the importance of keeping the door closed at all times. Because if you are going to open the door, this is what will happen. And it's not good to the plants. Alright, so we have to close the door. Now you see, once the door is closed, the plants are not disturbed. You look at this one, plenty of flowers and plenty of fruits. Wow, once again, this is the cucumber plantation. Once again guys, this is the Matrif Al Qahtani Vegetable Farm here in Hafirat, Nisa, Riyadh. You come here and learn from them the ways of desert farming and of course, enjoy the scenic sights around the farm.